Most freelancers don't actually know how financially safe they are. You can make money every month and still slowly build a business that feels stressful, unstable, and chaotic. A few months ago, I got tired of tracking numbers without actually understanding what they meant. So I built this. I realized that most tools were helping me record transactions, but not actually understand my business, especially as someone with irregular income. Some months are good, some are unpredictable, some look profitable on paper, but still feel financially dangerous. And eventually, I noticed something. I wasn't lacking information, I was lacking clarity. I wanted to know, how much money is actually safe to spend? How long could my business survive if income suddenly dropped? Was I undercharging? Was I overworking? Was my business actually stable? Or did it only look stable? And weirdly, most spreadsheets don't answer those questions. So instead of building another income tracker, I started building something closer to a business operating system. Not accounting software, not bookkeeping, a decision-making system. Something that could connect income, expenses, subscriptions, invoices, workload, cash flow, and turn them into actual signals. Something that would tell me, you're okay, or you need to slow down, or this month is becoming risky. The dashboard became the center of everything. Instead of only showing raw numbers, it tries to interpret the business. For example, safe to spend doesn't just show how much money exists. It estimates how much is realistically safe to use after future pressure and reserves. Runway shows how long the business could survive. Revenue volatility helps identify unstable income patterns. Cost pressure tracks recurring financial load. Future outlook combines multiple signals together and tries to detect whether the next weeks look stable or dangerous. One thing I hated in most systems was separating real money from expected money. So income only tracks money already received. Things like YouTube payouts, Gumroad, Etsy, Patreon, direct payments, but invoices became their own layer. Because expected money is not the same thing as available money, and once an invoice gets marked as paid, it automatically flows into the income layer. Forecasting became one of the most important parts, but I didn't want fake forecasting. I didn't want fantasy projections. So the forecast system is based mostly on expected incoming payments from invoices and due dates, real expected cash flow, not motivation, not, hopefully, next month will be better. Another thing that quietly destroys freelancers is recurring cost accumulation. Subscriptions slowly pile up in the background. So I created a recurring layer where subscriptions only need to be entered once, and the system keeps tracking their long-term pressure automatically. I also realized financial health means nothing if the business destroys your energy. So eventually, I added workload and capacity tracking too, because making more money by burning yourself out isn't actually stability. The strange thing is, building this didn't just organize my business, it reduced mental noise. I stopped opening random spreadsheets, trying to figure out if things were okay. I stopped making decisions emotionally, and for the first time, I actually felt like I understood what was happening inside my business. Not perfectly, but clearly. And honestly, I think that clarity matters more than productivity. So if you're a freelancer, creator, or solo business owner trying to make sense of irregular income, I created a free freelancer cash flow clarity guide. It's linked below. Even if you never use my system, it should help you think about your business more clearly. And if you want the full connected version of the system I showed in this video, including dashboards, forecasting, subscriptions, workload tracking, analytics, and the full business control setup, I linked the solo business control system below too. I'm still improving it constantly, but honestly, it already became one of the most useful things I've built for myself, and hopefully, it can help someone else feel a little less overwhelmed too.